Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AIBookSite review. So what actually is AIBookSite? Guys, AIBookSite is the first to market one-click ChatGPT powered app that creates a completely automated book affiliate website in less than 60 seconds that instantly load 90,000 plus ebooks, physical books and audiobooks under 130 plus categories in just a click, automatically embedded with your affiliate link so you get paid instantly. Creator of this software AIBookSite, Rick Nguyen. Who is Rick Nguyen and how many sales got this software? Guys, this software has already gone live 9th of July. I made this video 10th of July. I'm going to show you the refund rate, the conversion rate and how many sales got this software, and I'm going to show you the vendor, about the vendor, and I'm going to show you guys pricing and OTOs and demo that no one can share with you this type of information, guys. So please don't skip this video. At first, guys, I'm just going to jump the marketplace. This is the Warrior Plus marketplace. Here is, you can see the AIBookSite marketplace report. You can see 250 plus sales got this AIBookSite and 16% conversion rate, 0% refund rate. I'm just reloaded, guys. This is 100% legit information. This is also my affiliate account. Here is, you can see the Rick Nguyen top 10% vendor and superstar vendor, top 5% affiliate, elite affiliate also. He is the verified vendor, guys. Okay, so no problem. This is 100% legit software, and the legit person, the buy this software legit person Rick Nguyen. Okay, he launched lots of software successfully already, this Warrior Plus marketplace. Okay, guys, right now I'm just going to jump other information that I'm going to show you step by step. This is the demo site. You will be able to create this type of website using this software, guys, AIBookSite. So let's see the demo website. Here is the email pop-up section, and here is, you can see the category. This is looks very beautiful. You can list Amazon ebooks easily, physical book or ebook easily with your affiliate link using this software AIBookSite. And also you can see the category options. Okay, you will be able to create this type of website. This is the demo website, guys. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys also quick demo. Stay tuned. Right now I'm going to show you the pricing and OTOs of this software AIBookSite. Okay, so let's see the price. The price front-end offer is only $17. What you will get if you purchase front-end offer, guys, you will get lots of features if you purchase only front-end offer. Okay, and OTO number one, AIBookSite for $37. You will get unlimited site license. Users can create as many passive income AI book affiliate site as they want. Includes commercial rights. Users can create sell AI book affiliate site to client. OTO number two, AIBookSite premium, price is $37. Guys, no one can share this type of information that I already show you, that I'm showing you. Okay, and OTO number two, place a fancy pop-up on your site. You can see when I am reloaded, you can see the pop-up. Okay, this is the pop-up messenger. And auto capture email leads and automatically send new ebook update to their inbox. Auto capture new subscribers and instantly promote new books to their desktop using our push notification module. Place live chat and Facebook comment box on your site. Place Google Pixel and Facebook Pixel on your site to retarget visitors. This is a good features of this software, guys. I highly recommend you can purchase OTO number two. OTO number three, AIBookSite Gold instantly adds another income stream to your AI book affiliate site and get double income from your book sites. And upgrade adds 10,000 e-learning courses across 100 plus categories to your AI affiliate site. OTO number four, AIBookSite done for you. I highly recommend you can also purchase done for you OTO. work one with our support team, and we will set up and build done for you sites for you, marketing toolkits included. So you have no problem. This is the done for you facers. They will work for you. And OTO number 5, the final OTO of this software AIBookSite agency, $127. Create unlimited AIBookSite accounts for your clients, agency kits included. Guys, AIBookSite's link in my video description below. Just consider the link. This is the affiliate link. If you purchase through our link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this one. Guys, right now I am going to show you quick demo, then I'm going to show you all other information and that put the vendor on the sales page. Vendor will provide lots of bonuses also. So at first, let's see the demo. Okay, my friend, I hope you fully understand about this software AIBookSite. You can easily create AI books affiliate website. So no problem. You will be able to launch your own e-commerce website with your own affiliate link and get paid easily. Just 3 simple steps: login, login and enter your site name plus choose your niche book. And step number 3 was as the app instantly create completely automated book affiliate site in less than 60 seconds. And here the testimonials you can see, guys. Okay, this is the creator. Okay. If you want to sell your own created books, you can do that. Okay, guys, and they will provide support, so no problem. And this is the bonus, the vendor bonuses. Vendor bonus number 1, AI book site AI assistant app. Bonus number 2, AI book site clone app. They will provide bonus number 3, site analyzer app. And these 3 bonuses also they will provide, guys. And this software will give you 30 days money back guarantee. You can see 30-day money back guarantee, you can see here. So you can test it out, and price goes up day by day. So this is the right time, guys. AI book site is 100% risk-free investment, I think. Because this is a legit software, you already know, 0% return rate, 16% conversion rate. That's why people are loving this software. And they will provide a step-by-step video training inside the members area, my friend. So you have no problem, I think. I hope, guys, you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to sell their books, who actually struggling to generate money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon. My next video.